Hey, Dr. Vicky here. So I was asked by a patient to talk about motor vehicle accidents and how chronic neck pain and shoulder pain can become an issue even if you're getting chiropractic care. And I want to describe what happens because a lot of people will come in and say they had x-rays and their necks going the wrong way and what that really means, because there's several things that are super important with motor vehicle accidents. So if you look at the curvature, so this is normal. This is a normal curvature. So you can see that the neck goes forward and 45 degrees is what's normal for that forward curve here. Forward or backward curve here, 45 degrees is considered normal. And then in the low back, it goes the opposite way, 35 degrees. So essentially what happens is your spine is like a spring. It's spring loaded. So it's coiled, so it can move. And it's going to move unless we start to lose the curvatures, and then we can start to load the discs. So if your curve is, let's say, 0, it's going to be straight up and down. If it's a minus curve, it's actually going to be going the opposite direction. And so that's going to be a lot of force on those discs and nerves and so forth. So there's another issue that happens with flexion extension, and the reason why the curve is lost in a flexion extension injury like a motor vehicle accident is because the pivot point is normally right in this area here. And you have to think about how much your head waves. Boom, boom. So where's the stress? Right at the pivot point. So what does that mean? That means that there's going to be tissue damage at that location. And if it's not, if you don't do anything to fix that, it's going to be a chronic inflammatory response. That's when the disc starts to wear out. You start to get degenerative change to that joint, which is the arthritis, the degenerative arthritis type of situation. And then you add forward head posture to that, and then you're really loading this area here. So that's where the shoulder becomes involved, right here. And so a lot of people will notice an inflammatory response right here, and that's because the lymphatic system will not drain properly. And if your head is forward, so look at my head. If my head is forward out here, there's nowhere for that lymphatic to go. So that's part of the problem with motor vehicle accidents